What is up, everyone? Welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to TechMan. In this tutorial, we will learn how to effectively remove background noise from your audio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Background noise can be distracting and might diminish the quality of your videos, making this skill essential for content creators. We will cover the step-by-step process to enhance your audio clarity, ensuring your audience focuses on your message. Let's start by opening your Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project. Import your video or your audio file into the project by going to the File menu, select Import, and choose your file. Drag your audio or video file onto the timeline to begin editing. If you're working with a video, ensure the audio track is visible. Click on the audio clip in the timeline to select it. Then go to your Effects tab. On the search box, type in denoise. Take this one over here. Simply drag and drop this one to your video clip on your timeline. Next, make sure your clip is selected. Now head over to the control panel. Go to the audio section right here. On the denoise effect over here, go to custom setup and click edit. On this prompt, you can use the slider below. If you move it to the right, you will remove all the noise, and if you move it to the left, you will hear the noise again. You can play with this one depending on the noise of your clip. Just a quick note, make sure not to overuse this one and make your main audio or voice sounds awkward. And there you have it. Removing background noise in Adobe Premiere Pro is a straightforward process that can greatly enhance the quality of your audio. As a next step, consider exploring the other audio editing features in Premiere Pro to further improve your video production skills. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.